Hello students, I'm Yogita. Welcome you to this learning class. Our subject is psychiatry nursing and today we are going to learn about cognitive developmental theory. Now this cognitive development is a process where we are learning to think something, problem solving skill, decision making. These all things are cultivated in individual from the childhood through adolescence, from adolescence through adulthood. Now, this cognitive development theory is proposed by a Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget. Now, what he said that he made a lot of experiments, observation, decades of observation on children to understand their development, understand their personality, how they are going to develop. So, he has proposed this saying that the way you born and brought up, the way you think, that make a difference. So from the childhood, each stage your developmental take place. From childhood, from the infancy period onwards, the way you think and pursue is different. So that will give you a development in individual. So that will frame a personality of an individual. So here Piaget has given 4 important stages of cognitive development. A first is sensory motor stage, and a second stage is what is that? Second stage is pre-operational stage. Third is concrete operational, and fourth is formal operational stage. Now he explained very beautifully in all these 4 stages how the child is going to think, how he is going to develop his thinking, learning skills. Now if you see that first stage is a sensory motor development. Here child is learning through a sensory motor skill, gaining the skill. Child is able to understand himself and other object. He is able to identify the difference between these two things. I am different and this what is there in front of me is different. They are able to understand that. They are having developmental of their brain. Even after 7 months of their life, they are able to remember the things and develop certain languages, but these all things will be limited. It's not a wide, vast, expanded area, but in limited range, they are able to explore themselves. Well, here the thinking everything will be egocentric. Child can think only from their point of view. Much more thinker is not happening in this infancy period. Now, next is a second stage is what I said, pre-operational stage. This is in childhood. Now, pre-operational stage means here child is able to explain the things. Child is improving his memory, intelligence, learning the words and learning the symbolic languages. See, when you want say S, child may nod the head like this. Yes, nothing to express, verbalize, but it means S. When you nod your head like this, it meant it is no. So, such way a child can able to develop their symbolic languages. Child is able to understand. Child is able to explain the things in a different way. Can improve their communication. Then, next we'll move to the third stage. It is a concrete operational stage. Here, child is able to explain the things in a bigger way. That a child is able to also think not egocentric, like others point of view can be accepted and understood by the child. Here a child can able to speak about numbers, volume, height, weight, size, everything. Now for example, you see that like a very small child, maybe 1 or 2 years of age, like just wanted to tell something. He saw an elephant, he wanted to tell about that. Like in your second stage, like after infancy, how they can say, they may tell that I saw elephant. How much? 1 elephant. They may show 4 number and they say 1 elephant. See, there is no much development, no much thinking and all. But here in this concrete developmental stage, concrete operational stage, child is able to speak about everything. Child may say that I saw an elephant. There were 4 elephants, very big, tiny eyes, weight maybe 100 kg. They were very strong. See, they are able to explain, and it is so big that from this to that corner of this room, they were very dangerous. See, a child is able to give much more explanation, much more information. They are able to describe the things what they have seen. So this what you can see in concrete development. The last is formal operational stage, here child is able to understand, child is able to gain certain skills, analyze the things, gain some problem solving skill, decision making, such things can be dealt. So child is able to understand what others are given, abstract way of thinking, they are able to make some choices, they can able to think and try the hypothesis, they are able to pursue some things, assumption can be done with the child. They may look at the snake, then they may think that yes, it may be dangerous, I should not go near to that. See, such kind of formal thinkings can develop. Like formally when they go to the school rules and regulations, they're able to follow certain things. See, these all things will develop in fourth stage. So this is the way in 4 different stages child is developing, child is showing a development. This is what called cognitive development. See, each stage child is thinking, the thinking process is take place, and that will be memorized, that is also used in problem solving, decision making skill, that will frame a personality of an individual. So here Piaget has given 4 stages of cognitive development. He has explained a development will take place from the birth to adolescence to adulthood. In all the way a child is experiencing different phases of life, in different way learning will take place. First is sensory motor, use the sense organs to understand the things, identify the things. Then it is pre-operational stage, concrete operational stage, and final last one is they are having formal operation. Now in 4 these different stages things can happen. Okay, this is what all about cognitive developmental skill. I hope you understood. Please keep watching. I'll catch you in next video. We'll learn some new things in that. Until then, take care of yourself. Time to say bye bye to you all.